Uh-oh. Uh-oh, don't do that. I won't let you get hooked, man. I need you. Well, we're gonna take Stardust out today and collect cattle on him. That's the first time that we've done that. We've had him in the arena around these cows a little bit, but he hadn't gone outside, so I figured I'd just take him out this morning and get this little group of heifers that we've got, just see how it takes it, you know. I mean, it's got to be a first time for everything, right? Might as well be today. Stardust, your head looks giant, but it's really not. It's deceiving. Girls, y'all know better. Uh-oh. They don't like to go out this gate, but they're no match for me and Stardust. Boy, SD is just turning into a regular cow pony, isn't he? Blackie, I think I want to train you. Uh-oh, don't do that. I did not see that. Wild cow. All right, I clear out. Brian, if I were you, come over here. That's it. I won't let you get hooked, man. I need you. Although it'd be fun to watch. Look at the dog in them. Look. That's that. All right, let's go see if Lily needs any help, and then we'll get her working a cow. Oh, they went down there, Lily. You let them escape. Hey, sorry, don't cut it on this outfit. I'm just kidding.
Well, I should be fired by now.
You are fired, but you're immediately rehired.
Oh, good.
Just shut that gate behind you there. To your right. That gate to your right there, yep. As you come by the camera, drop the deuce and say, just remember to like, comment, and share. All right, let's work a cow or two with old Val here. Come on back, Lily, and give us some room. We'll try to drive out a little ways. Val's pretty green at this, so we need to give her some space. We'll just push old Piney Woods out here. All right, come get her. So I'll just push up into that cow and then draw Val back. Push up and draw her back. Every time that cow moves, I want Val to be moving. She's kind of fading back into that herd right there. So I had to use my herd side leg to push her back out to that cow. This is good speed for Val to learn this right here. And all I'm trying to help Val with is the concept of getting tied to that cow and then get back on her hocks so that she can be prepared. There, she's starting to read a little bit. Read what I'm going to ask her. I want her to get back on those hocks so she can be prepared to move. She's real downhill right now. And so she really struggles to get turned around. So she's got to try double hard to get back and get turned around, you know. These burnout roping cattle work really good for this. If you guys, you know, wondering, well, how can I have some cattle to work without breaking the bank? Because y'all may know that cattle are just stupid expensive right now. So these cattle can be bought for about $350 or $400 a head, and they work really good for this. And you don't have to feed them a whole lot. And when you're done with them, you can just sell them and get you a few more. And they're pretty readily available most anywhere in the country. Just find your local team roper and or go to the sale barn, buy you a couple. And they last a long time. Like I said, they're easy to take care of. All you got to do is keep them wormed a little bit. Now she is doing that. I don't know what she was trying to hop around there for. I guess she felt like her feet were getting tangled up, so we just practiced a little bit of that footwork right there real quick while this cow's giving us a chance. That's better. I know this is not beautiful right here with Val. We're just using these cattle to help get her broke. That's all we're doing. We're not trying to make a cutter out of her. She's not going to be a cutting horse. She'll cut a cow when it's all said and done. We're just trying to use them to get her broke. That's all there is. The guy that gave me my start said that's what you do, is you use those cattle to get your horses broke, because there's nothing better. You can teach them just about everything that they need to know right here on this cow. That's pretty good right there. I'm gonna let her quit on that one.
Hi, this is Richard Boatwright. If you like what you've seen here, then you might consider becoming a member of B1 Horsemanship. You can sign up at b1horsemanship.com.